These next-generation devices are poised to revolutionize productivity, security, and user experience. AI-driven processors will enable laptops to learn user habits, optimize performance, and enhance security autonomously. These advancements include dedicated AI chips designed to process information rapidly while consuming less power, making tasks like video editing and gaming seamless. These chips will also personalize user experiences by adjusting settings based on usage patterns, such as accelerating video editing for frequent users or enhancing typing efficiency with real-time corrections. In terms of memory and storage, future AI laptops will utilize faster DDR6 RAM and smarter SSDs that autonomously organize files and predict user needs, thereby improving speed and efficiency. Display technology will evolve with self-adjusting screens that adapt to lighting conditions and innovative designs like foldable or rollable screens for increased portability. Battery life will see significant improvements through AI-managed power usage and advanced battery materials, offering longer usage hours and faster charging capabilities. Security enhancements include AI-powered real-time threat detection, biometric authentication, and behavioral tracking to ensure robust data protection against cyber threats. Moreover, these AI laptops will feature advanced AI assistants capable of composing emails, organizing photos, and even providing real-time translations, thereby enhancing user productivity and convenience.